years. Before we select a course for our higher studies, it is important to know the career perspectives of the course. Today, I will tell you the career perspectives of the course BCA. Bachelor's in Computer Application is a professional degree course that is offered by many reputed institutions and universities in India. It is similar to BTech CS course, with the difference that BTech CS is an engineering course with 4 years duration and BCA is a professional undergraduate course with 3-year duration. What I believe, success of a course depends on a few things. Number 1, a good institution. An institution with good reputation that can provide you expertise teaching in the course you have opted, and that can provide you all necessary requisites for the course. Let's say library, your computer labs and all other requisites. And especially the institution with a good real placement record and awareness about the career and higher studies options after the course you have opted. Most of the students follow the trend in selecting their course, which is not right. And many students do not select a course just because they are not aware about the higher studies and job options available after that course. Third thing is the effort you put in your course, not only in the syllabus, in the studying of the course, but preparing yourself well for the career and well in advance. Let's talk about career options after BCA. After doing BCA, you have 3 options. 1, either you will go for the job. 2nd, or you will go for the higher studies and then for the job. And 3rd option, which is very trending in these days, provided by a few MNCs, that is the job plus study program. Yes, in this program, you can, with the job, you can pursue your higher studies. For example, Wipro's WACE program, TCS Ignite program and HCL's Higher and Training program. I have divided my talk in 3 separate videos to discuss all these 3 options. In this video, I will talk about the job options that are available after BCA course. In this video, I will talk about government job options after BCA, private job options after BCA, and in the last, I will tell you some important tips that will help you in building a good career. Like any other graduate, a BCA graduate can also apply in many government job options that are available. Plus, a BCA graduate can also apply in the specific government jobs that are for the computer science graduate. Let's see a list of some government jobs. Through civil services exams, you can apply for IAS, IPS and IFS. But these are very tough to crack exams. You can apply for CBI, Collector, NDA, CDS and Navy through the UPSC exam. You can apply for state PCS, SSC and CGL are other options through which you can go for the jobs like in Inspector, CBI, Junior Engineer, Railway Ministry and External Affairs Ministry. Through SSC and CHSL for lower division clerk, upper division clerk, data entry operators. Through RRB, which is the Railway Recruitment Board, you can also apply for the jobs in railways. In the defense sector, there are multiple jobs for the computer science graduate in Army, Navy and Air Force. You can apply for a job in Indian Postal Department also, in LIC as Software Consultant Officer or in RBI for an RBI officer. SSC CPO, you can apply for Sub-Inspector SSB, Sub-Inspector CRPF, Sub-Inspector BSF and Sub-Inspector ITBP. You can also go for the Food Corporation of India, ISRO, DRDO and some PSUs like BHEL, BSNL, ONGC, NTPC. If you're interested in banking sector, then you can go for IBPS PO and IT Specialist Officer. You also have IT Clerk, SBI PO, IT Specialist Officer and SBI IT Clerk. If you are inclined towards teaching, then you can go for the job in teaching in government institutions, government schools, colleges, universities. These teaching positions, you have to fulfill some more requisites and acquire some more degrees depending upon at which level you are applying. For example, if you are applying for a school, then you must attain B.Ed degree. Or if you are going for the higher studies, then you should obtain the NET or PhD. Then you can also compete for the exams like KVS and NBS. You can see even a BCA graduate has a lot of opportunities into the government sector. Now let's talk about the job options into the private sector. Private sector, some job options are software developer, software designer, software engineer, software programmer and software architect. Software analyst and software tester are some highly paid positions. Some top trending options are software analytics and digital marketing. Website development and mobile development are always in demand career options. Apart from these, network engineer, database administrator, software consultant, information manager, data mining manager, ethical hacking are some good and promising career options. Core technical areas are artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things and robotics. You should select career areas which are suitable to your skill set. And if you want to know more about any of these career areas, then let me know by commenting or contact me on my WhatsApp number. I have given the number into the description. There are many companies and MNCs in India and abroad that hire for these job positions as and when they require. Some companies that hire for these job positions are Wipro, TCS, HCL, Infosys, IBM, Tech Mahindra, Adobe, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Cognizant, Concentrix, Kronos, Amazon, Flipkart, Ernst & Young, Indiabulls, and many more. Hiring method by these companies can be on campus, off campus, through consultancy, or many companies are also open with the direct recruitment process, where you can go to the website of these companies and from the career or recruitment link you can apply directly. You need to upload your resume and if selected, then you will be called for the next round. If you want to learn to make an effective resume, then you can watch my video on how to write an effective resume. I have given the link in the description. It's the time for some important tips. Tip number 1. Early preparation. To beat any exam or interview for the job, you must start preparing yourself early. Don't wait for the last year of your degree for the preparation. It's better that if you start the preparation in the first semester itself. Tip number 2. Clear and strong fundamentals. Don't rush to make long and complicated programs before clearing your fundamentals. Many times it is seen that in the time of interview, in the long coded program, the students fail to explain the first line of the code, like the purpose of preprocessor directive or include or import keywords. Number 3. Strong communication and presentation skills. If you are excellent in your technical skills, still you need strong communication and presentation skills to prove yourself at least once at the time of interview. So improve your communication and presentation skills and help someone by sharing the video. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos on career and growth.